Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be the next major flagship from the South Korean tech giant. Ahead of the launch, we already know several details about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, including its design, specifications, and many more. In today's video we see the all informations about this smartphone. Let's start. Display and design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to showcase subtle design updates, while maintaining the premium titanium frame, introduced with the S24 Ultra. Leaks suggest a slightly larger 6.9-inch display, with thinner bezels and a more curved design for improved ergonomics. However, it appears that Samsung will continue using its M13 OLED display technology, opting not to include the brighter M14 panels seen in some competitor devices. Performance and software. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, under the hood, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, is destined to make a huge difference in performance. The device was seen scoring 2,481 in single-core tests, and 8,658 in multi-core tests. This is an indicator that it can pack some serious heat. Battery backup. The battery is expected to remain the same at 5,000 mAh, but with the new chipset, battery life could see improvements. Camera innovations. The Galaxy S25 Ultra camera system will continue Samsung's legacy of exceptional camera systems, with an upgraded ultra-wide 50-megapixel camera comparing with previous 12-megapixel model. The 200-megapixel main camera will offer greatly improved details, and will be offering an additional 100-megapixel space zoom, which will provide the optimum zooming capabilities. Along with that, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with variable zoom will be there, for added flexibility for all the focal lengths, and making high-quality shots across the board. Launch date and price. The much-awaited Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be officially unveiled in January 2025 or early February 2025. As for the pricing, Samsung recently raised the price of the Galaxy S24 Ultra by $100, and rumors suggest a potential price increase for the S25 Ultra.